Hey gut feeders, hi guys. I just moved into my new place on the other side of Panama. So I lived in Panama City, I think it was like 4 or 5 months. And after staying at a friend's farm, I really decided like, oh my god, I need nature. So here we are. What we're going to do today, apart from that I show you the surrounding here in Boquete, which is close to a volcano. And what we're going to do today, we're going to go to the farmer's market together. This is always Tuesday morning. It's Tuesday morning right now. I'm going to go with you and a friend. We're going to go down and I show you all the nice stuff they have from the region. Lots of it is organic or completely untreated with any pesticides. And that's what we're going to do today. Let's go. So, okay guys, this is the house. Oh, we just passed by. It's over there. So basically it's like, because we're on a hill, everybody gets like the really nice view. And there we are, my favorite trees, pine trees. So good, it's so quiet, guys. Do you want to say hi, Elena?
Hi.
Okay, so now we're gonna go back down the path. Let's go. All right, moving forward.
Because I was just going to take the long path, but that's like an hour.
Yeah, that's an
It's
hour.
like 15 minutes.
That's the fun part here. Look at that. We could. Oh, there's another path going here. More to explore. And we are gonna go downtown Boquete now. This is downtown. So we are sharing the path with a chicken, which is fine. Oh, it's running. Can you see it? And gone. So beautiful Panama without city. Oh guys, I so missed like living water, like when it's moving. When I see it, I already felt like, ah, I want to squeeze in, I want to jump in. It's so beautiful, look at that. Just the sound is amazing, isn't it? Okay guys, here's the market. There. And this is the river. Let's go. Look at that. So apparently once a week on Tuesday it's a farmer's market and all the other times it's a bar. So I'm happy I'm coming for the farmer's market and not for the bar. Oh yes. This looks like a place to live. And there's downtown Boquete. Basically like 10 houses and some shops. Oh my god, look at this, guys. This is what I miss. Bye bye Panama City. Isn't that beautiful? Check it out.
Everyone's a tourist.
Yeah, Gringo Paradise.
Gringo
Let's see it.
Paradise.
And everybody's over 60.
Yeah.
Oh, not everybody. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this is stairs.
Oh, yes.
Alright, here we go. This is where Boquete meets. Hey Calvin.
Okay. Sí, también. Tengo un poco, bastante, sí.
What's that?
Jackfruit.
Oh, that's the big one. That's what comes out of if you carry away fruit.
Right, yeah.
Oh my god, look at that one. Jackfruit. Ah!
So, Peggy, this is Melanie.
Oh,
Melanie,
sorry,
this is
I'm doing
Peggy. I like daikon.
Okay.
And the Ukrainians are over on that side.
Okay.
And they have some good stuff.
What do they have, the Ukrainians?
Oh, they might not have anything you like.
They have like meat and
They
goat's
have and
cheese.
kefir.
Okay.
He's got the goats. He's actually got a really cool farm. He'd probably let you go to his farm if you wanted to ask him about it. And then you can see like he has games for his goats, okay? Like he takes really good care of them.
It's amazing. Let's check out the raw food. Oh my god, guys. Oh yeah, that's all Peggy wants.
And there's some like sandwiches and stuff.
Check this out. Where's the daikon radish one? Yum. Now check this out. Daikon radish. Daikon radish, guys. Super good for the liver. Delicious. I just got some organic cherry tomatoes. What are you getting, Elena?
I don't know, there's so much stress.
Check this out, amazing. Kale. I definitely gonna buy more kale. I just got organic kale. Check this out. This is blue Russian, by the way, I think. Maybe not. Dill and more cilantro. Where is it? Here. Oh my god. It's gonna be so good. And here, over there, they have yuca bread, which actually doesn't contain any gluten and doesn't contain corn neither. It's amazing. Peggy's happy. I think I found my happy eating place. I'm trying to decide which of the diseños is the best. So I have this one here, which is more green, this one which is more brown, and this one which is more, aubergine. And it's all 100% natural from the lady here. It's from sheep, alpaca sheep. And I need it for my bed because my blanket is too heavy and I really like them. I want to support also the indigenous people. So, but I can't decide. Oh my god. Those are the problems that you have in paradise, right? Okay guys, I'm getting a little bit sweaty. Not sure if you want to see that. So we're going up and I have like so many good fresh fruits from the farmers market in there. Most of them are without any pesticides. I asked like every farmer. And this is exciting, yeah, fresh fruit. Okay, there's a lot more hill to climb today. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm just back, sweaty again, the mountain up. So here we have some flowers and we're just gonna walk together back to the house. And while we're walking, let's see, question of the day for you guys. Before we come to the bonus content where you see which of the blankets I actually went for. Again, they are like alpaca wool, like handmade, really beautiful from the indigenous people. Love to support that and I actually need a blanket anyway, so that's amazing. Sweaty Peggy. Okay, question of the day. I want to know from you, which was a fruit or a food, the last food that you bought from a farmer's market. Doesn't have to be organic, but has to be a market, like fresh local produce. What was the last thing you bought from this market? Fruits, vegetables, what did you buy? Just one word in the comments below. I'm curious to hear. And my one was, what was the last one I bought? My last one was dill that I bought. The herb, really nice. I love that with cucumbers and lemon juice on top, like as a fresh salad or over potatoes. Yum. What was yours? Let me know in the comments below. Okay guys, getting back home. Look at this beauty. And look at all those healthy, happy plants. And I found some amazing aloe vera as well. So there's mint, there's oregano, things here. And check out this aloe vera, guys. Oh my god. Look at all the babies here. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, so lots of healing plants. And my space is down there. Let's go. Oh, there we are. Look, the assistant from Calvin actually cleans the windows. Oh my god, this is amazing. Let's get in there. Home. And now let's see, what kind of blanket did I buy? Hey guys, so before I show you the blanket, if you like this kind of video, I'd love to know, I'd love to get your feedback. Give me a thumbs up so I know you like this more vlogging style, more seeing what I do in my daily life. And here's some of the goodies that I got from the market, guys. Wow. Organic bananas, organic kale, cilantro, and organic chives. And here's the dill. Woohoo! You see it? And here's the blanket, guys. I went for the green one. I took like 15 minutes to decide. So this is the one. And it's super nice, it's very light. So I can also travel with it and get it in the plane. And it's a good size. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you a beautiful day. I sent you lots of beautiful nature and I see you soon. Ciao.